Okay. Hello, everyone. Today is the
Good evening.
26th of June, and we are starting our regular monthly meeting, live engineering call. We have several people with us today. Genoa, Robert, Bob, Ruru, and several others are waiting as well. So we will try to give you an update what we did during last month on certain topics. Now, I want to start. First of all, after me, Robert will take the word, and the last will be the Ruru. As you know, we have been, as Electra, we have been integrated into Shop with crypto platform. That was something pretty cool because that's also one of the milestones for mass adoption and the daily use case for cryptocurrency, and especially for Electra for sure. Shop with crypto is a portal. There are merchants and vendors there, and people can go and buy. So vendors will be able to accept ECA there. That's something really cool. We can give you a clear information that we are at the moment talking with some other companies and third-party partners. Once we come to a conclusion, we will also announce those as well. Secondly, um, many of you, the majority of you, are asking each time about the exchanges. Where are we? What are we doing? Yes, for the major exchanges, as you know, we are already listing on five, six exchanges. Out of them, 80% are pretty fine, although they are small, low volume exchanges, but still like CoinFalcon, CryptoBridge, CoinDeal, CoinExchange, they are pretty fine, and anyone else can go and buy from there, out of there. But as you know, we want to hit and get listed on tier one exchanges. This is most important topic for us. We know the importance, and we started our applications. Plus, we are about preparing some more papers. We are on paperwork at the moment. Like additionally, legal opinion letters from Malta. So you can imagine, or maybe think, which exchanges we will proceed later on, especially Malta-based exchanges, because those exchanges need, let's say, prefer legal opinion letters, especially from Maltese law firms. So we are now on this process. Um, we hope to get these papers in around 2-3 weeks time once we close the deal with the law firm. On the other side, yes, these are the uh, top tier exchanges. By the way, we are not interested into wash trading exchanges. This week, we rejected around three proposals coming from several exchanges, which are aiming that they have 500, 1 billion USD volume per day, but which is not the reality. We know this. But on the other side, we are now in talk with an exchange which has some pretty good volume. It's not a tier one exchange, but it's between tier one and tier two exchange. We are in a good position. We are being reviewed since a month by this exchange. So if we can finalize our negotiations, maybe July we can announce you another listing. But first we have to finalize our discussions and meetings with this exchange. Um, Let me check. Okay. Another news coming from our team. As you know, our team, our committee members They were always asking you, everybody was asking, hey, what about the marketing? What are you doing as a team? And we were saying each time, yes, this is a community project. As team, we cannot do the marketing on ourselves. So you must help us. But we realized one thing that this should be led by some professional team members. And through this respect, we established a professional marketing team. The team members are Zuf and Exxon. They are working very well. They are leading this marketing topic. They are doing their preparations. It's really awesome. They are doing very professional at the moment. They are coming to final, preparing their strategies. We got a presentation recently during our weekly coordinators call, by the way. And soon you will see, you will realize that we will gain more awareness on the market, especially today, as you know, Bitcoin went up like a rocket. It touched almost 14K USD. Seems so that soon a real bull season will start, especially for the altcoins as well. So we need to prepare immediately for that. I can tell you that Zoof and maybe Exxon will also join actively to our live engineering call next time. So we are expecting to see them talking here together with us during July. Let me check what I have for you. Yeah, these are the most topics which I wanted to explain and tell. I want to give this word to Robert so that he can start talking a little bit about the foundation, what's going on there. He has some news. He will share some of them with you fully, and most probably he will share partially some of the news which will be released during July. Some really exciting news. Robert?
Yes. Hello. Good day, everybody. As you can hear, I'm in a call. I hope the sound is fine. You can all hear me pretty good. I had a great day at the beach with my job, with my work. So little sunburn, but I'm okay. So about the foundation. Um, on the back end with the foundation, we are having so many talks, which is really cool. It's sometimes time consuming, a bit tough to manage with the work, but it's really fun to do. To give you an example, that was actually quite something nice. A couple of weeks ago, we were contacted by one of our French community members who works at a big firm. It's an investment company. I believe they have a turnover around 700 million euros, 7 billion under management. And he got the possibility to present cryptocurrency and blockchain to senior management, like executive level. And the cool thing is that as foundation, we were invited to join this meeting. So last Monday we did a presentation, and that was actually pretty well done by the community member itself about blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. And then we had the possibility to talk for almost half an hour about Electra and what makes Electra so special. It felt like a pitch. This was just an informative talk, but who knows what can happen. We really outlined the positive sides of Electra when you compare it with Bitcoin. Extremely low fees, instant transactions, low ecological footprint due to proof of stake. And it was really great also to hear their responses. I expect in the course of this or next week some feedback, and maybe there will be a follow-up meeting. Who knows? So that's really good. Um, Also, we will be represented on a very big cryptocurrency and blockchain event in Atlanta, in the USA. I actually forgot the name. It has to do something with mining conference, something like that. It's a really big event, and a lot of projects and companies are represented. And Michael Putman, who is the new joint foundation advisor, he will be there. But, and that's the nice thing, you won't be alone. Michael will be there with somebody else, and this somebody else is CEO and general manager of a few other projects. And there will be a really nice announcement to make. So that will be end of next month, the third or fourth week, I believe. So put it in your agenda. As Master Dan said, we have set up a new marketing team, also with the aim of trying to penetrate the market in a better way than we did for the news that we are about to launch. As you know, we have some great milestones to be completed in the near future. ElectroPay is nearly done. I believe we can even start testing in the course of next week. The iOS wallet has to be finished. Well, we have a few partnerships going on. So it's all great news, but we have to announce it and release it with the biggest impact possible. And that's what these guys are going to do. I've witnessed them from close by. I help them. And they really know how everything works with social media. Really great. I think we didn't have. Um, these guys are the most talented guys, I would say, in marketing strategy we had so far. So really happy with them. Also from the foundation, because that means that we can, you know, work as a good oiled machine towards releases of milestones. What else? Cryptopia. A lot of people are asking about Cryptopia. We tried to act really proactively in the past months when it came to Cryptopia. We all know what the situation is at this point. Cryptopia is a liquidation, which is led by Grant Thornton. They're the liquidator, and like 2 months ago, I believe, we decided to join the collective, which is partnered with Chain Creator. And these guys, they have the plan to buy Cryptopia together with some other exchanges. I have had a call with them. Well, actually, I have a call with them every 3 to 4 days. And the latest update is they have had a meeting with Grant Thornton in Manchester. And the feedback they got is that Grant Thornton is basically doing the first stage of liquidation, which is basically they are assessing the entire situation, trying to bring structure in the chaos, and then move from there. So we need to wait until that phase one is completed. Chain Creator informed me that this might take 3, 4, maybe 2 months, 3, 4 weeks, maybe 2 months. And when that is done, they will officially start the bidding in order to take over Cryptopia. Cryptopia itself, the Electras are still on the cold wallet. As far as we know, that all looks good. And well, they still have to update the wallet, but they know they have to do it. So the only thing we can do right now is wait. That doesn't mean that we are just going to wait. When Chain Creator tries to buy Cryptopia but it doesn't succeed, it means that we still need to have a backup plan. So we decided as a team and also as a foundation that we want to fight for the community, obviously in a proactive way, and we will do everything possible to ensure that the coins return to the rightful owners. This is something that we will do with our lawyers, Agile Legal in Melbourne, Australia. They're a great help in many instances. And we will start preparations for our plan B in case of the takeover doesn't work out. More on Chain Creator. We also have a really nice announcement with regards to Chain Creator in course of this week, I hope. We signed an agreement with them, and this will mean something for Electra. I won't spoil all the information. You will see it in the announcement. I hope it will be sent out tomorrow. But it's really good news, especially for the long term. What else can I say? Last week, yeah, we signed the agreement for a partnership that will be announced next month. What else? Oh yeah, for the legal opinion, what Master Dan already touched base. This is basically we need a legal opinion stating that Electra is not a security token. We need it for some big exchanges such as Bittrex. We are in contact with 10 different law firms, and they all gave us their price. These are quite expensive documentations, but as usual, we try to negotiate it in the best way possible. And let's hope that once we have this legal opinion, it opens more doors when it comes to big exchanges. I think from a foundation point of view, this is it. Maybe Bob, you're also in the call. Did I forget anything?
No, man, you were
No?
spot on. No, perfect.
I think Ruru
Fantastic.
can take over the word now and
Yes.
explain us a little bit how it's going with the technical side and developments and some maybe improvements. Ruru?
Hello, and yes, I will now give you an update on all the development that has been happening in the last month. So I do have a list, so I'm prepared, so I can go through it and we can make sure you are all updated with all the ongoings in the development world. So the first update is with regards to the Qt wallet. We have done some changes on the dark theme and have fixed that and pushed the code changes to GitHub. We are looking at a solution for the auto updater. That's still work in progress. We've received one or two user interface bugs that we have added to our to-do list, which we'll be sorting out. And then translations, we have got some files to improve the translation, but we are still waiting for updates from some specific users. So if you were involved in the translation project and we are waiting for you to give us some updates, maybe testing, please get hold of Genova. He is waiting for you. And any translation issues can go straight to Genova. I think everybody knows Genova by now. He's our French guy sitting in the very hot country in Europe at the moment. Apparently, it's quite hot that side. Update of the Qt wallet will happen soon. Let's give Genova some work to do and some updates, and then he'll make sure those are in so we can then create a new release of the Qt wallet. A future development that we are looking at with regards to the Qt wallet is the adding sort of a notification event within the app. We've had absolutely great feedback with regards to the Qt wallet. Really, really excited that it's taken so well. It's quick, it's sleek. And it seems like everybody's enjoying the user interface. So really a great job to the developers, Nash and Genova and Johan. Really, really well done. And of course, it's Peter that also helped us. Master Dan?
Yes, for the
Okay.
mobile.
Yes, for the mobile. Oh, that was for the mobile. Sorry, yes. I'm actually getting confused between the Qt wallet and the mobile. Okay, then the iOS and mobile wallet. Now that the Android wallet is out, we have started development with regards to the iOS development. I do know a very senior iOS developer who said he will be able to assist us in getting the Swift code correct because it is taking us a bit longer than we expected. So hopefully this will help us to move along a bit faster on this project. But at this point in time, we are plodding through it and we're doing the development. So please be patient. It is quite a bit of work, but we are working on it. Then we had another developer approach us with regards to SAP I don't know if you all know about SAP, but it is a very popular ERP system
SAP,
used.
yes.
Yeah, SAP. It is used in very big corporate companies, and companies spend billions on the system and the implementation of the system. So we are always searching for possibilities to integrate ECA, and I think they concentrate a lot on the supply chain modules. So we will be looking at those specifically to see how we can integrate ECA into SAP. So that's quite exciting. So we have a developer that is keen to look at how we can do that integration. Then ElectroPay, the one that I'm really focusing on. The plugin has been completed. And we have started the testing. So we're quite far in the testing. There's a couple of little changes that we need to make. So hopefully that'll be completed in the next week. I already have some community members that have come forward and have volunteered to test. If you do want to test, do let me know, but I can't have too many testers, so we will have to select just a few. So if you've got a WordPress site that you with WooCommerce, please let us know. And then the last phase of ElectroPay is to do the portal web development. So that has started. I did engage with a developer a little while ago, and he started with the development. So we should be able to give you some sneak peeks soon. So keep a look out for that. And well, most of the back end changes have been completed. There might be some new back end changes that we might just add, depending on the portal requirements that do come through. So very excited. I can actually start seeing the finishing line of ElectroPay. So we'll be able to give you more information exactly what the first release will have. So very exciting, and to have that released, and we'll test the new marketing department that we have set up to see how well we do with marketing ElectroPay. Then we have it's not a new Block Explorer, but we basically moved our Block Explorer from where it was sitting in our initial domain. So we've moved it to a new domain name, and that is www.electroexplorer.info. So rather go there to have a look at the Explorer, and hopefully CoinMarketCap will do an update shortly. We have asked them to change it to the new URL. Yeah, so that is the development within Electra, and it's going well. And I think we've made some really good changes. And just a little bit of an update. So I also work for quite a big corporate company in insurance, and I belong to the blockchain group within the company. So they do medical insurance, life, long-term insurance, short-term insurance. They also have transactional banking. So, blockchain is definitely becoming more popular. It's a topic within companies. So, we've already started looking at how we can implement blockchain within the corporate company. So this is a good thing. So we'll see how I can pitch Electra soon. And I'm seeing more use cases out there. So recently we had a company called Strat, which is in South Africa, and they're going to be implementing a e-voting solution developed by Nasdaq. So, and our company is basically going to be part of that testing of the blockchain. So it's not quite a public blockchain, it's a private blockchain, but it is a start. Yeah, and I've been involved in some of the education. So I did a demo on blockchain that went quite well, and I'm going to all the different business units and also talking about blockchain. So spreading the word, getting it out there. So it's really exciting times And I think we are going to see a big change in the next couple of months within this world. And that's my update.
Thank you very much, Ruru. If you have any questions, please ask. We will try to answer them. I think everybody's looking at the chart where the BTC is heating at the moment and only listening to us, maybe. Well, I see no questions.
We must be doing a better job because we used to get lots and lots of questions. So
Yes.
we must be answering all the questions that they've had during the week.
Okay. Yes, we can see the BTC market value. There's a question, so 1 billion company is not a billion, but maybe you were trying to ask the 10 billion, which is explained earlier, but it's not limited to that. As you can see, we are in discussion with even recently a 7 billion US dollar company, which is an investment fund. Even this is much more, let's say, important. But it's still not limited with it because we are a member of ETA association. You know, all the big Polish players are over there. Shortly, you will see our increased activity within ETA association, and we want to bring you more and more really exciting news from that business circle. Okay. If you don't have any questions, we can close this month's live engineering call. I think we are all good. Okay. Anything else you want to explain more? I mean, tell Genova, Robert, Ruru, Bob.
All good. After then, I
Okay.
think we can close off.
Okay. Then we thank you joining us today, giving listen ears to our engineering call. Next month, another exciting month. We are expecting to bring you several news with the end phases. So just cross fingers, please. We are doing our best. We, as always, told, we need your support each time on social media. Whenever we are sending out tweets or doing now, we will start also the marketing campaigns. Please support our marketing team as well. And we strongly believe we will achieve more and more success in the next upcoming months. You can be sure about it. Thank you once again, and enjoy the week. Enjoy your day or night, wherever you are, and take care.
Goodbye.
Thanks, Martin. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.